What's up? How are you? Today we are doing a tutorial on this look, which is the boy beat, and I saw several other YouTubers do this and I was like, I want to do that too because I think it looks really good. It's a different take on no makeup. So instead of using as little makeup as possible to make your face look as flawless and perfect as possible, you are instead using as little as makeup possible to kind of enhance the uniqueness and imperfections on your face and you know, embracing freckles and hyperpigmentation and stuff like that. And I think it's awesome, and I really think that this is like cool. So I like it a lot, and I'm very excited to share this with you guys. So before we get into it, please make sure that you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please be sure to also come follow me on Instagram because I am on Instagram when I'm not on YouTube. So today's video is the boy beat, where you embrace your flaws and imperfections on your skin, and it's essentially a no makeup tutorial, but just more so, instead of trying to kind of make yourself look flawless without wearing the makeup, you're embracing the freckles and imperfections and texture on the skin. So we're gonna do this because I've been seeing a lot of people doing it. I really like the way it looks. You're not making yourself look bad with the makeup, but you're, you know, just embracing all the stuff. So, woo. I actually thought today was a great day to do the boy beat because I have hyperpigmentation from pimples. I have a giant hyperpigmentation, like irregular shaped thing from that stupid dry patch that broke open in 2 different places. And then, you know, we're gonna like show off our freckles and stuff. So I'm gonna start off by getting the face prepped with the Smashbox Photo Ready, maybe we should try that again. The Photo Finish Primerizer. Love this stuff. I am gonna fill in my brows because I want them to be more full, so I'm gonna use the Hourglass Arch Brow Pencil. This one is in the shade Warm Brunette. And I am trying to make my brows full and bushy because we're just kind of accentuating the fullness of the brow. You do want the brow to be nice and full. So I won't be concealing the darkness under my eyes, but I'm gonna conceal a couple hyperpigmentation spots that I really don't like. For example, the one on the corner of my mouth, I just don't like that one. So I wanna conceal this. And basically what you're gonna do is you don't wanna use foundation, but you're gonna spot conceal whatever you really want to hide. But for the most part, I'm gonna leave all these little hyperpigmentation spots on my skin because we will be adding in some fake freckles too, just to make the skin look a little bit more realistic. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Ginger. The reason I want to conceal this is because I just really don't like it, but all of these like little hyperpigmentation spots on my face I'm gonna leave because I'm gonna also be drawing in some fake freckles, so I think that these just kind of add to the whole look of that. Now I'm taking some of the Bare Minerals Original Foundation, but I'm using the shade Tan 19, and I'm gonna use this to kind of sculpt my face, add a little bit of warmth, but not really super bronzy, you know what I mean? We're just trying to like add some definition. So put a little bit of product into the lid. I'm going to pick the product up in an angled brush, warm up the skin slightly, but I'm more so using this to contour. And the reason I chose the Bare Minerals Powder Foundation is because it's just gonna give you a little bit more of a flawless contour that will look more natural and not as makeup-y. So I'm just gonna put this under the cheekbones. I'm gonna put this on the chin and the jawline because you do want to add some definition there. Just kind of pinching the brush like this. I'm also going to apply it into the crease of my eyes. I'm also gonna run whatever's left over underneath my eyes just a little bit because that'll kind of put a little bit of darkness down there, and I don't want the under eyes to be too bright. So now just on a pencil brush, I'm gonna pick up some more of that powder foundation, and I'm gonna smudge this on my top eyelid just to put some darkness there. And I am kind of like pulling it out on the outer corners like this just to extend the color a bit. I'm going to be taking Glossier Boy Brow. I'm using the shade Blonde, and this is a really great pomade for beefing up your brows and just getting them to look extra full and bushy, but I'm doing a back comb on them like this so that I can get extra volume. So just kind of really working the pomade into each and every brow hair, and then I'm just gonna kind of brush upward. So back comb like this so that you really get each and every brow hair fully coated, and then brush in an upward motion. I'm gonna go back in with that brow pencil, and I'm just gonna kind of make all of the little dark spots on my skin come back to life. And I'm also gonna add a couple more. So I'm gonna add some freckles on my nose as well. But anything that you already have that's a freckle, you're just kind of bringing it back to life and making it more noticeable. I'm going to curl my lashes, just a little bit of a soft curl. For mascara, I'm using Glossier Lash Slick. Get the lower lashes too. Okay, so this is MAC's Pro Longwear Lip Pencil in Morning Coffee, and I'm going to use this to outline my lips. Kind of blend it around and smudge it with your finger so it doesn't look perfect and it looks more like a messy lip line. And for lip color, I'm going to be using Leo by Glossier because it doesn't really look like anything. It's just a warm cocoa brown, but it's matte finish and it's sheer. Because I really want it to look like I don't have anything on my lips, and then whatever's left over, I'll just kind of tap onto the apples of my cheeks, and then that way I have some sort of color on my cheeks, but it's nothing that looks like a blush. Guys, this is the finished look. This is the boy beat. I love this super freckly moment, and I just think this is really fun. It's easy to recreate. It's more about embracing the irregularities and imperfections. They're not imperfections, but you know, embracing the way your skin looks and not trying to hide it, and just kind of defining your eyes, your lips, and your eyebrows. And I'm so in love with this look. So I hope you guys like this as much as I do. If you have any questions about the technique or the products, anything that I can do to help you achieve this look, you know that I will. So all you have to do is leave a comment down below and I will get back to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I would love, it would make my day if you guys recreate this look and you tag me in it, because I would love to see you rocking your boy beats. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this one. Please don't forget to also come follow me on Instagram, because I'm on Instagram when I'm not on YouTube, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!